Will the iPhone Air's new MagSafe battery work on the iPhone Pro? So one of the most ridiculed products that Apple had ever made was the original MagSafe battery on the iPhone. Everybody seemed to hate it at the time, complaining about how expensive it was, and most of all, how small the battery capacity was. But the thing is that I actually found it to be the best MagSafe battery that I've ever used. And I feel like I could say that because I've used just about every single one on the market now. And that's because it was just so small and perfectly formed. And that's why I was so sad when they discontinued it and just seemingly forgot to replace it. Until now, because here it is, the brand new MagSafe battery for iPhone Air. So let's unbox it. And here it is. So instantly I can say it definitely looks a little bit larger than the original version. However, it is a lot slimmer as well. Rumor has it that the battery inside this is actually identical to the one that is in the iPhone Air itself. So if we put it on the iPhone Air, we can see that yes, it fits just about perfectly. And an interesting fact is that these MagSafe batteries is the only way you can use the reverse wireless charging on an iPhone. However, they have said that it doesn't work with an iPhone Pro. So let's try it on last year's model and see how that fits. So this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yeah, I think we can see that it doesn't quite fit because the camera module is in the way. Can I put it sideways at the very least? Okay, so I can charge it sideways, but obviously that is not an ideal situation. Let's try the standard 17 Pro. And obviously it definitely doesn't fit either. Can I fit it sideways? Barely. It almost sort of works. I think if I hold it up like this, it sort of looks like an LG wing, if you remember that. So because of the size, the iPhone Air's MagSafe battery definitely does not really work with other iPhones. So I'm going to ask you, should Apple make a smaller version that will fit the other iPhones?